No boss, no bank, no side hustle, just a digital wallet that pays you. Discover how decentralized technology is creating the new paradigm of financial freedom through passive income opportunities that require no selling, no trading, and no technical expertise. Breaking free from traditional income limitations. You don't need a boss. You don't need a bank. You don't need a drop shipping store, a digital product, an ebook, or even a side hustle that you secretly can't stand. You need a digital wallet, but not just any wallet. You need a decentralized digital wallet that pays you. Let me show you how this revolutionary approach is changing lives and creating true financial independence. Rethinking how money works. The old model, we've been conditioned to believe the only way to earn money is to do more. Start a side hustle, build a brand, learn affiliate marketing, sell something. But most people are grinding and still getting nowhere. The new reality, digital wallets are the new bank branches, and the right one doesn't just hold your money, it creates revenue. Not through trading, not through selling, but through a blockchain based smart contract designed to circulate and multiply wealth. Your money, your control. No crypto trading. This isn't crypto trading. It's not risky. There's no chart to follow. Decentralized power. This is a decentralized digital wallet that rewards you just for connecting others. And every transaction within your private network continues paying you residually. This is complete freedom. Unlike banks, PayPal, Cash App, Chime, or Zelle, you control it. No freezes, no third parties, and no permission needed. So, going from hustle to harvest. First off, set it and forget it. You can literally set it and forget it for passive income without the pressure. No daily maintenance or constant attention required. However, you can choose to build a movement. If you have the heart to lead, you can build a full on movement, impacting lives and helping others to step into true financial freedom. And finally, there's a shift in your mindset. This model gives you options. It's about shifting from hustle to harvest, allowing your initial efforts to multiply through the power of duplication and circulation. Learn the system. Join my private masterclass. I've created a private masterclass where I break the whole system down. You'll discover how this blockchain digital wallet works, how the smart contract generates income automatically, how to activate your own decentralized wallet, and how to start earning immediately. There's no selling and no high tech skills needed. Now, here's the bonus. Get access to my network leveraging cash flow community for continued mentorship, updates, resources, duplication tools, and strategies. There's only a one time registration fee of $19.99. And when you join this community, I promise you there's going to be so much that you're going to learn. It's going to bring forth and stir up the passion that is inside of you because this is no more hustle, no more struggle, no more risking your money unless you want to. So you can still do all those things, but you're going to do them because you want to. Here, you're going to position yourself with your decentralized wallet and you're going to beginning earning passive revenue and building your own network and community. And when you get a chance to see the master class, you'll have the opportunity to make the most informed decision for yourself. But you don't have to risk your Bitcoin. You don't have to risk your crypto, your means, or anything. And banking, banks are already going on the blockchain. So you're going to need a blockchain wallet anyway. Why not have one that's decentralized where you control it and there's no limits to how much you can withdraw, how much you can transfer, and have the opportunity to get paid every time a transfer takes place within your network. So if you believe that this is for you and you're interested and you want to know more for that one time only 1999, join the Network Leveraging Cash Flow community and attend the master class. Get your questions answered and I look forward to building generational passive wealth with you. All right, go ahead, take the next step. The link should be in the description or in the bio, depending on where you're watching this presentation. With that being said, many blessings and much continued success to you in your endeavors.